Have you ever felt like your money just slips through your fingers? Like no matter how much you earn, it's never enough? If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle with managing their finances. That's where pocketguard comes in. What is pocketguard? pocketguard is a personal finance app that helps you track your income and expenses, set budgets, and save money. It's like having a personal financial advisor right in your pocket. How does pocketguard work? Connect your accounts. The first step is to connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts to pocketguard. This will allow the app to automatically track your transactions. Set a budget. Once your accounts are connected, you can set a budget for different categories like housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. pocketguard will help you stay on track by showing you how much you've spent and how much you have left. Track your spending. pocketguard provides a detailed breakdown of your spending habits so you can see where your money is going. This can help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Save money. pocketguard also offers tools to help you save money. You can set savings goals, create automatic savings plans, and even round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and save the difference. Benefits of using pocketguard. Easy to use. pocketguard is very user-friendly, even for people who aren't tech-savvy. Accurate tracking. The app accurately tracks your transactions, so you always have a clear picture of your finances. Personalized insights. pocketguard provides personalized insights and recommendations based on your spending habits. Time saving. By automating many financial tasks, pocketguard saves you time and effort. Common questions. Is pocketguard safe? Yes, pocketguard uses advanced security measures to protect your financial information. How much does pocketguard cost? The basic version of pocketguard is free. However, there is a premium version with additional features for a small fee. Can I use pocketguard on my computer? Yes, pocketguard is available as a web app, so you can access it on your computer as well as your smartphone. pocketguard is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. By tracking your spending, setting budgets, and saving money, you can build a brighter financial future. If you're looking for a way to improve your financial situation, I highly recommend giving pocketguard a try. It's a simple yet effective tool that can make a big difference in your life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.